Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang malaking green candle and above average yung volume. Good news is na break niya na yung previous high natin kung makikita nyo sa left side. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita nyo, BTC still creating multiple higher low, and higher low. So what happened? Nagkaroon tayo ng inverted pin bar but pinasukan pa rin tayo ng sobrang laking green candle. Confirm na we are on a buyer's momentum. So yung possible scenario natin, if BTC is i-respect niya yung horizontal support, meron tayong another trendline support. And the moment na magkaroon ng green candle and respect niya, possible it's a continuation. And invalidation natin is the moment na mabasag niya yung mga key level natin